So guys, you want to unlock your daily combo on Hamster Kombat and you realize that your DEX is blocked. Your DEX is the one you find from Web3. Now you notice that it is blocked. So now your question is, how can you unlock your DEX? This one, how can you unlock it so that you'll be able to claim your card? So in order for you to unlock this, let me show you what to do. I've made several videos explaining this, but there are still lots of questions about it. When your DEX is blocked, right here, this particular one, they would tell you right here that you need the BTC pairs level 10. So where is BTC pairs? That sounds like what you find under market. Now let's search for it here. We come to market right here and we look for BTC pairs. It should be here. Yeah, now look at BTC pairs here. Now when you get to BTC pairs, like for example this one right now, the level is level 15. So what they asked you for to unlock the Web3, the DEX in Web3 is level 10. So what you simply do is you click on BTC pairs. If you buy this once, if you click on go ahead once, that means you have gotten level 1. Now you come back here, you check what level it is. You'll know the level when you look at this place. You check the level. You keep on buying it until you have unlocked the level 10. The moment you get to level 10, now you can now come back to the Web3 up here. You can now click it again and come to DEX, and you realize that your DEX will be unlocked. So you simply click on it and click on go ahead. Bye for now.